What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Amber Victoria. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. If you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell button so that you'll be notified when I post new videos. So this is my wallet, MK wallet, by the way. Just want to show y'all my new wallet from KORS. My driver's license goes there. There is a thing for change, and then you can have it on your wrist. I forgot how much this cost. I needed a new wallet really bad. She's cute. It's like the size of my hands. Recently I also got this decked out while I was in KORS. I got this at an outlet in Arizona. I forgot the name of it. I got this watch. It's a little bling blingy. Can y'all tell? It's a little bling blingy. You know what I mean? That's why I wanted it. It's gold. Big face. It wasn't the men's area of watches, but women wear bust downs like this too. I call it a bust down. It's a bust down for me. Okay, beach, cause y'all seen the watch I used to wear. This old itty bitty ass watch is what I used to wear. So I'm just glad to have another gold watch. So upgrade. And this is originally like $500. It was on sale. It was half off, so I got it for $250. I also have a silver KORS. It has some bling around the face. I got this for Christmas last year. So I don't wear silver as much, but when I do, I wear this one. Okay, so while we on the topic of designer, why the fuck not? Let me show y'all my Gucci belt. This is a little old. I actually got it last year in Houston. Yeah, last year in Houston. I still have the box, still have the duster. Like, I always keep all my shit in its fucking duster, because baby, it costs too motherfucking much to be getting fucked up. If y'all haven't already, please check out my Louis Vuitton Never Full video review and my YSL, my Saint Laurent video. Okay, so this is the Gucci belt that I got. And got the black one, and I am a size 30. Wait, I think this says 32. I don't really know how these belts even run. It says 80. It says 80.32. So 80.32. I don't know what that means. Let me tell you how much it costs. Yes, I still got the receipt because it was in the box. From Saks Fifth, Gucci leather. It was $460. The belt was $460. It was $460. Damn, I paid $460 for this shit. That's crazy. What else can I show y'all? Oh my gosh, how did I forget Kate? Kate is here as well. She's new. I got her from the outlet in Arizona last month. I've worn her once, but I put her back in here. Now let me tell you about this bag right here. I went in this store twice while I was out there, and I just kept wanting. I was like, oh my gosh, do I want it? Do I want it? Do I want it? This pink, baby, it was just popping. I was like, it's giving Birkin. It's giving Birkin. What y'all think? Comment below if you think this bag is giving Birkin, because I think it's giving Birkin. That's why I got it. Comment below. Give me a thumbs up if you think this bag is giving Birkin. For real. Kate Spade, New York. So there is a long strap, you guys. You can see that I have only worn this once, and I wore it like this. This was still stuck inside. But yeah, it does come with a long strap, so I'm just gonna keep that wrapped for now. So there's this pocket, and then there's a zipper pocket as well. So this is what the inside looks like. I love it. I love it. I love it. So just a comparison. Y'all probably already know I have a MCM bag in pink. So this is like a you know, pastel pink, and then this is the hot pink. This is what the bag looks like. My favorite little tote bag outside of my Louis Vuitton. I'm sorry the light's going in and out, y'all, but it is what it is. So this is what the inside looks like. It's really nothing fancy about the inside at all. No pockets, no nothing, just boom. How much did this cost me? I got this bag off of RealReal. All my other stuff actually came from the designer store, but this came from RealReal.com. if y'all haven't heard of it, it's like a website that sells designer bags, where people sell their used designer bags basically. So it is authenticated and all of that. Like, it came with all the, you know, cards and shit. So it's real, but it's just at a discount. Like, yeah, it was used, and I only get the condition like new. You know how you can choose what kind of condition. I always get the condition that says like new, bitch, cause and if y'all see, it still looks fucking good. And I got this shit in 2019. This is the MCM medium Anya A-N-Y-A shopper tote. It's a luxury consignment website basically. So I paid $600, $595 to be exact. But yeah, $600 for this bag. I don't know how much it cost originally. And I also got my Prada bag from there. I bought them at the same time. This is the Prada Vela small zip pouch clutch, and it also came with the tags and everything like new condition for $395, aka $400. This is what the Prada bag looks like. Wristlet, clutch, whatever you want to call it. I just hold her under my arm sometimes. You know what I'm saying? I need my nails done. I love this red color. And let's see, on the inside. So the inside says Prada all on the inside. It's just red, no pockets or anything like that. So that's pretty much all my design stuff. Like, I don't have a lot, you know, I'm a rough bitch. But yeah, every now and then I get a little something. Like I said, go watch my Yves Saint Laurent and my Louis Vuitton unboxing videos as well. And before we go, I gotta show y'all this Zara bag. Told y'all I keep all my dusters. Boom, baby. Oh, boom, baby. Boom, boom, baby. Ah! Green. Okay, picking green. It's giving Bottega. That's why I bought it. I buy shit if it looks like something else. And yes, B, stop playing. Stop mother playing. I actually need to get her in more colors, but the green, I just had to get the green first. So this is what she looks like. I love this bag. It was $50. So I just got this recently online. They have some in store as well. It says Zara inside. It does have a pocket. What I got in here? Receipt. This is tag on the inside. But yeah, it's just a black inside, y'all. Just a black inside. Okay, that's it. I promise, that's it. I just want to show you guys some of the other little things that I had, along with my new Kate Spade Telfar, and then I just threw in some old shit that I had as well. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.